A Vaillant boiler is one of the most sophisticated engineered products in everyday life. Every single component, however small, is specifically designed and manufactured to perform a critical role in providing heating and hot water with absolute safety. So choosing replacement parts for a Vaillant product is one of the most important decisions you will ever make. But there are many people who seem to be offering you so-called genuine Vaillant spare parts at a fraction of the price. What they're doing is often misleading, can adversely affect the performance of the boiler, and could even be potentially dangerous. Not in our name. Mark signed off this heat exchanger, which met ISO 9001, the same specification complied with when the boiler was originally built, a specification that several online suppliers choose to ignore. Frank himself put his name to this thermostat, carefully engineered to Vaillant's exacting standards by one of the leading brands in thermostat technology, rather than from an unknown supplier. Ruth, Jacob and Steve took responsibility for these parts, which is more than could be said for the guy who posts pictures of look-alike parts on auction sites. Everything here is checked by Karen, Tim, Bob, Andy and Ron, and is of course brand new, not stripped from a decommissioned unit and given a good clean-up. You can take Peter's word for it. We carry over £70 million worth of spare parts available for immediate delivery via a vast European supply chain that is the envy of the industry, rather than a container that arrives every 3 weeks from halfway around the world. Plus our parts are available for up to 15 years after the appliance production ceases, and in many cases for even longer. So you see, when people say that when you buy genuine Vaillant replacement parts, you're paying for the name, they're right. The name of everyone personally responsible for protecting the reputation of Vaillant, which ultimately protects your good name. Insist on original Vaillant spare parts.